do you have? No, I'm just kidding. I will repeat the question. Our young brother asked that if a person doesn't know how to read or write, he's not a Muslim or a Christian, and will he go to heaven or hell on the Day of Judgment? So first thing is, reading and writing doesn't mean right and wrong. Many people are very literate, but they're ignorant. And many people maybe can't read or write, but they see the signs of their Creator. I'll give you an example. All of you guys are in this room. If I told you, you got to pay attention and be honest, all right? If I told you, any atheists here? Not going to cut off your head, don't worry. Raise your hands. All right. Let me ask you a question. Be honest, that's all I ask you, all right? If I asked you, or if I told you that this room we're sitting in was not made by anybody. San Diego State University did not build this room. There were no engineers, there were no plans, there were no illegal immigrants, customers, no, none of that. This room was built without any effort. Over billions of years, grains of sand came together and made lights, and made ceilings, and made speakers, and made an exit sign, and made doors, and locks, and electric outlets, and this projector, and that laptop, and that other laptop, and this camera, and these chairs. All of this, exactly as you see it, came from no intervention, intelligent design, nothing. Just trillions of years it happened. Would you believe me? You wouldn't. Now, is the human body more complex or this room? Your eye, your ear, your liver, your kidney, your heart, your intestines, your eyelashes, all of that working without even, do you realize your heart's pumping? You don't. You don't sit there and go pump, 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 crash out, oh, I'm dead. Right? Do you realize your kidneys are working? Your I don't know, I'm not a bio major or chemistry or any of that stuff. But point being, the human body is more complicated than this room. The atmosphere that we're destroying right now, it's more complex than this room. The earth and its balance, all of that is better designed and more complicated than this room. So even without reading, you would realize that there is a Creator. Now, you will have to search and find out who that Creator is. And that's why we have the Qur'an, that's why we have these sessions to find that out. But even if you can't read or write, you have to recognize who your Creator is. And when you recognize who your Creator is and you submit yourself, then you're a Muslim. And then you're going to heaven if you fulfill the conditions that we mentioned earlier. If you don't, you see these signs. When you look at the sun come, like she was talking about, how the human absorbs energy and Blu-ray and other things from the sun that nourishes and helps our body. And how we drink water and how it cleanses us, and how we breathe oxygen and put out carbon dioxide. And plants, they do the opposite. They take carbon dioxide, put out oxygen. When you look at that beautiful process in place, then you submit yourself to your Creator, you're going to heaven. If you look at all of that and you're like, whatever, I don't care. I got to go get my drink on, and got to make my money. And you die without the belief in Thowheedh, this is the means to go to the nar. Good.